Hello friends, hope you are doing well and all of you are fine. In today's video we are going to draw beautiful grapes with the help of number 7 and number 8. First we are going to write number 7. Just write number 7, double the line of the number 7. Now write number 8 and write another 8 on side by side. Draw semicircles on the four sides, means all of the sides of 8. Draw semicircles on the all the sides as the semicircles you want. At the end you are going to draw 4 semicircles. In the third last line you are going to draw 3 semicircles. In the second last line you are going to draw 2 semicircles. In the end you are going to draw a single circle. The grapes are completed. Now draw the leaf. The leaf of grapes branch is different from the other leaves. Draw the leaf. Now color on grapes as the grapes you like. If you like green grapes, you are going to color it green. You like red grapes, you are going to color red. And if you like, as I am coloring, then you can color it like this. Okay, keep coloring, keep all these circles you drawn as a grapes. Give it a beautiful nice color. Let me know in the comment that you like grapes or not, or which type of grapes you like, red grapes or green grapes, purple grapes. Please let me know. Color the leaf a beautiful green. It will look so beautiful at the end. Grapes are full of nutrition and vitamins and very beneficent of our health. Do you like grapes? I like the grape juice more than the grapes. Hope you enjoyed the video. Keep supporting. Take care. Bye bye.